Hello, this is Brett from Elliott Wave, and today we are taking a look at the top 7 stocks in the Nasdaq, as usual, namely Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, Nvidia, and Google, or Alphabet, call whatever you want. So yeah, this is a weekly update. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Yeah, I do this stuff every week, and then I also update other things to the channel, such as Bitcoin, ETH, the Nasdaq, the S&P, the DAX now, and gold. So subscribe if you want to stay updated. It really helps. Thank you. We're growing. I'm really happy. And let's take a look at Apple. So with Apple here, nothing has changed. So once again, for new review, just gonna go over this long-term accounts. I will not focus on it. You can go watch the US stock market playlist. If you look at old videos, you'll find a more detailed explanation on the longer-term accounts, where I go over a few different scenarios, blah blah blah. But today we're gonna just focus on what is going on around here. And once again, my preferred count is going to be this one on any diagonals weight 5. Now I understand this is quite significant, because if I'm correct, I'm expecting to go all the way down back here, which would be quite a drop, right? Almost 50%, yeah, 40-ish%. Now we're moving as expected. I'll be looking for now some sort of consolidation for the downside. When you try to predict such let's say major degree correction, all you can do really is taking one wave at a time, just like I should be taking in life. But obviously that ain't easy, but we can only try. And if we take a look at volume, we can see an increase in volume here, and this is suggesting something is happening, right? Don't really have much more to say about it, because I'm just waiting for developments. This is pretty aggressive, right? This looks like it's the start of something, a pullback, something else, and at that point we're gonna need to reconsider and see what is going on, right? Again, one wave at a time. Now you may ask, Barrett, what if you're wrong? That's a good question that I try to ask myself daily. I wish I was wrong in other things in life. But what if I'm wrong here on this Apple Wave count? Well, at that point, what if there's a leading diagonal into wave 1, 2, so wave 5 goes here, and this is a minor wave 1. I guess it's possible. Do we have it? So let's do this. Do we have it somewhere? Should probably do this. Okay, sorry for that. Give me a second. As you can see, I did have this count. To be fair, you could say you have this. To be honest, I guess it is also possible. 1 2 1 2 upside. It's possible, a bit more bullish, but things are looking, if you look at the financial of Apples, they're not looking too prosperous. I hope you can see that. I hope that's a word. But here, yeah, 3 ways up, so must be some sort of wave B or X, a connector. It's usually called a connector, downside. So we're gonna have to find out, but I guess this is also possible. Let's keep that in mind, and also much less drastic. And then what else do we got here? A 1 2, yeah, same thing, just different. What? Yeah, just a different 1 2, right? Because we had a problem here with I see in this move here, I see 3 waves, so I needed 4 and 5. That was my main problem. Yeah, I guess this is possible still, and it's my best guess at if I'm wrong here, which in a way, because I do own Apple in my long-term portfolio, in a way I wish I'm wrong, but thought will fuck you up, people. Not only in trading, but in life. Thought will fuck you up. Trust me that. I'm young enough, I'm young, but I'm old enough to understand that thought will fuck you up. Now, with that lesson, Hope you guys enjoy my rants. Microsoft AB looking for downside. We're moving as expected, looking for downside into wave 2. Now, what if it's not a wave 2? God only knows what it is. Why isn't okay? I'm pretty bullish on Microsoft, and I do think I have some reasons. I mean, it's Microsoft. They also said to be investing, the AI project in the US, financed by the US government. I didn't go too much into it, but it might be happening. And Microsoft said they would found up to 80 billion, if I'm not mistaken. So that's quite a lot. But they have a ton of cash. So ABC for this, not much more to say. I think there is the, what if we are in a wave 4? I guess this is still possible in a way. This could be some sort of ABC or WXY. It depends. Sorry, this would be my news. So it depends how deep we go. It could be WXY. So sorry, WXY ABC. The other difference between WXY and ABC. I mean, no, I won't say the only difference, but okay, I'll shut up. Otherwise, I need to explain further. So that's still possible, but I also wouldn't discount this possibility. Okay. Any questions, as usual, down in the comments. More than welcome. Amazon. So Amazon with the update, so far so good. 012, pretty bullish on Amazon. I do own this in my long-term portfolio as usual. I wish I bought more. I'm up like probably 100% by now. I double, yeah, dude. I think, yeah, I doubled my money. It's crazy. But yeah, so far so good. I didn't mention how this is quite tricky to count. So obviously the way you're looking at it's pretty bullish. Why don't I label things? So let's do it now. Let's try to come up with alternates so you guys also can see what my thinking process usually is, which is what I try to show here on the channel. So up from 2. So the way I like to think is, number 1, assume you're wrong, which is possible. 1, 2, okay, wait, let me zoom in. So let's assume I'm wrong, but I'm right on this one too. I guess it's fairly possible I'm right on this one too. Let's hope so. Okay, so let's assume I'm right on that, but I'm wrong here. So we could have a 1, 2. Let's go to the 4-hour. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would, oh no. Oh no, okay, because that would have to be, sorry. If I'm counting as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 3. Let's say 4 is in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, no, that would work. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Validation? Nope. By like a dull cent. We don't have validation. So this could work, couldn't it? And I kind of like it better. Some misproportions, but I mean, look at this. So let's up from 2 alternate. Okay, what do you guys think? It's possible. Here's some sort of sideways correction. If I place this here, then we need 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, then more bullish. Unless you go like 1, 2. Okay, you could do this as well. 1, A, B, C, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. Okay. This is actually probably better. Yeah, I like this better. I understand that gray may not be so visible. Apologize. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I like this, to be honest. And this, would this be... But if that is... minor... Okay, so if this is minor 3, then... this could be moved everything 1 degree lower. Unless we do a super extension wave 5. And super extension, I think it's a name I made up. I don't think it's Elliott Wave literature. Then everything here 1 degree lower, meaning that we are completing minute 1, minute 2 of minor 3. Okay, perfect. Any questions? As usual, down in the comments, or you can join the Discord. Just beware scammers. Meta. I will try to put timestamps on today's video. Understanding it can be helpful. So far so good. Nothing to say really. Yeah. So far so good. Just keeps moving higher. That's good. We do have a problem with wave 5. Wave 5 can be, because 3 was shorter than 1. I need to breathe. 5 must be shorter than 3. So we have a kind of validation here. So, but still upside is needed. Due here, very interesting. This looks like it could well be an ending diagonal here. Possible. So this is my best count. What if I'm wrong? I mean, I like it. I know I should always, you know, if you're a good illustration, you should always be say, okay, what if I'm wrong? And try to come up with an alternate. But for entertainment purposes, I will skip it today with Tesla. But I like this. And let's see. We might have a bottom place. We'll see. Or soon to be. Nvidia. So far so good. It's moving as expected. A, B, C. Look at this. 1, 3, 4, 5. And looking for upside. The wave 4 you're seeing, orange 4, so intermediate 4, would be pairing up with this wave 2. And as you can see, they look pretty similar in length. Why? Correction of the same degree will tend towards equality. And look at this. Boom. So let's see if we can get back to the channel. But I like this. And probably at that time, a $200, nice, big, major top in place could be possible. Last but not least, here we were right on this conservative count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1. Now I'm looking for this. If I'm right. If I'm wrong with possible, this was a wave C. Oh, sorry, a wave 4. Pairing up to this wave 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC all the way down here, and then upside. You guys get the idea, right? Hope so. Any questions? Down below, or you can join the Discord. Once again, beware the scammers. You can, I mean, the Discord is mainly meant for you guys to chat between you. If you want to exchange ideas, I always take a look at it. You can always ask me for my opinion. I will respond when I get the chance. Pretty busy with school and drama. I wish I had less drama, more school. But life is life, right? What else? I think I had the... Okay. So let's just revise this count so I can show you what I meant. 3... Even this, to be honest. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that would be the alternate. Let's call it 1 in place. You see, guys, I do my homework after all. Oh, probably this. No, 1 done, 1 in place here. Okay. And the way things are looking, it might be this, to be honest. I will not discount this possibility. All right, people. Any questions? You guys let me know. And yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more. Leave a like if you enjoyed the content. It really helps. And I will see you tomorrow.